Need a professional intro for your channel? I've used Panzoid to make a quick and easy 3D intro. I'll show you how.
Easy go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Dimension, and in today's How to IT episode we are going to be having a look at how to make quick and easy 3D intro. Let's begin.
Easy.
So first of all, you have to go to panzoid.com, then it will open up this page and you have to scroll down, click on more creations over here. Then you can see a lot of templates over here. Some of them are 2D, some of them are outros, intros, and a lot of stuff. So you can search over here if you want a specific one, like if I say red 3D intro. So here you will find a lot of templates. So let's see if I choose this one. Okay, then you have to click on it and it will open up this page. Click on open in Clipmaker, then it will open up this page. You have to click on this eye symbol over here, click play. Okay, so I like that. Then you have to go over here, you can click on this one and then you have to go on objects, go to find this text group over here. If it's not group, just find this text written over here, click on it, change it to whatever you want. For example, I'll change it to CDYT. I'll keep it caps, click enter, it will load and it has changed it to CDYT. If you see right now, you can see this old text over here. CDYT, it has changed only the red text. So now you have to click on the other text and change that also to CDYT. Click enter, it will load and then it has changed it to CDYT. So that's it, you have got okay. So as you can see, that was a quick and easy intro. So now if you want to add shutters, as you can see in some of the intros that like mine, it's first black screen and then it opens up to show this thing. So let's see how to add that if they are not already there. So I click on these three lines, click on FX. It only has one effect right now, so I'll click on add effect. I'll click over here and search for shutter. I click on shutter, I'll click on the shutter over here. Then I'm gonna get it to 0 frames, I mean first frame, and I'm gonna change the cover to be 500, 0.5 I mean. So if the cover is at 0.5, it's completely covered. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to about 20 frames and then I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna click the add button over here, then I'm gonna change it to be about 125. So I'll keep it at 125 and then let's go to the first frame and preview it. So as you can see, I have easily made a quick and easy 3D intro. Now to export it, you can go on this one and then choose the quality you want. I'll prefer extremely extreme quality because it doesn't export it in that good quality. And then you can choose from MKV or WEBM. So you can export it in any of those. Then you can use a converter to convert it to MP4 or whatever you want, MP4 MOV, whatever you want. So I'm gonna search for MKV to MP4 converter. Then I'm gonna click on this second one, not the first one. So as you can see here, I have dragged and dropped the file video3.mkv. It has already been selected to MP4. I'm gonna click on convert now. So now as you can see, it's here for download. I'm gonna just click on download. It will start the download, and then I can rename it or use it as whatever I want. So if you want my intro, this one that I've got right now, in a different color or like customized to your likings, you can go to my profile on Panzoid, link in the description. It will bring up this page. Click on creations, click on this one, and click on open in Clipmaker. It will open my intro. If you want to customize it, as I have already shown, go to objects, find the text group over here, and you can change these two. Okay, and after that, if you want, you can go to FX and add effect, and you have to search colorize. I can see it over here. I don't need to search it. I'll click on it. Then I'll scroll down. It will be at the bottom. Then I'll go and pick a color that I want. So if your channel's theme is blue colored, I'll pick blue. And if I want a lighter blue, I can just go like that, and maybe, okay, so I want this color. I'll click on choose. It will change the whole intro to that color. If I don't like this color, like maybe it's a bit too light, I'm gonna just make it a bit darker. See, you can easily customize the whole intro and even change its color. So let's see how does it look after changing its color.
Easy go. Easy go.
And I can just go over here on the second filter. There's a color correction filter. I'll click on it. I'll just play around with these settings until it feels better. So as you can see, I have just played around with these settings a bit, and here we go.
Easy go.
So as you can see, it looks much better, and that's the whole intro. So that's how you can make really cool 3D intros for free and quickly. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.